Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how can you use the ultrasonic sensor of your EV3 robot to measure the distance and to display the reading on the EV3 Brick screen. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do to measure the distance, we have using the ultrasonic sensor to decide where do you want this ultrasonic to be. Based on your decision, you will place your ultrasonic sensor. In my case, I want my robot to read the distance or to measure it from the front, so I placed my ultrasonic sensor in the front area. Number two, I want the reading, I will measure the distance and I want the reading to be displayed on the screen of the EV3 robot. So we will go to the display block. When you go to the display block, you have something called the write EV3 at 1 with font, with a kind of font. I'll take this block, I'll place it over here. Forever, I want the reading to continue displaying on my screen. So we will use the forever loop for this purpose. This one now. I will find that I can see the EV3. Let's change the font size to large black. And I'm gonna make it 50 pixels and 50 pixels. The number here is like to decide where do you want to place the text. You know that this is a screen and it has a number of pixels. So when we say at X and Y, we're talking about the X and Y axis. So I want to display my text or my result of reading the distance in somewhere on my screen, so I can change the value here. This is the X axis and this is the Y axis, and here with font large black. Let me play it now. I think I can see that EV3 displayed over here. Now I don't want to display EV3, I want to display something else. I want to display the reading of the ultrasonic sensor. So we have here operators block. We will go to the operators block. We have something called join. So I can join two things to be displayed on my screen. I can join Apple word and banana word to be displayed at this place with this font on my screen. Let's test this one now. So we have here apple, we have banana, but I cannot see the banana word. We can make this 40 by 40, and then I can, and we can keep decreasing the value to see the full word, or we can make it normal. Yes, now we can see the apple and banana. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Now, I don't want to display apple and banana word. In my case, in this condition, I want to join the ultrasonic sensor reading because I'm using the ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance. So I'll go to sensors, and we have here something called, I'm gonna search for this one, it's a distance. So I'll take the ultrasonic sensor, I'm gonna place it on the first box. So my ultrasonic sensor is connecting to port number 2, so let me change this to port number 2. So I want to join the reading of the ultrasonic sensor to my screen. Okay, this block will read the distance. I want to measure it, or I can decide this to be centimeter or inches. It's up to you. Okay, but I'd rather to use the centimeters, as 2.5 centimeter equal 1 inch. So we can write the centimeter over here, and I can play the distance. Play the program. Okay, we cannot see. Let's change it. Take this all the way down. I'm gonna make this one large black. Okay, so my ultrasonic sensor is measuring the distance. Now you can see that the reading of the number is changing, like, and you have centimeter over here. And the second part of the tutorial, I will show you how can you make your EV3 robot measuring the distance while it's moving. Now, in the previous tutorial, we showed that how can we display the reading of the ultrasonic sensor while it measures the distance on the EV3 Brick. So this is my ultrasonic sensor. I'm moving my hand. I can see that reading is changing here. Now, what if I want my robot to measure the distance while it's moving? I'll go to the movement and I will select start moving straight. I'll add it before the forever loop. And the reason why not to use number of rotations, degrees or seconds, because I'm using the ultrasonic sensor. So my robot will continue moving and it will continue displaying the distance between the ultrasonic sensor and any object from. My robot is moving very fast. So if I want to lower the speed of my robot so I can measure the distance in front, then I can put here, I'll go to the movement and make sure that we select set movement speed to whatever, and we will place it before start moving block. So I'm gonna make it 10% just to be able to see the reading. Hope that you enjoyed my tutorial. Thank you for watching.